Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to selectively disable app notifications in Windows 10. You can selectively disable app notifications in Windows 10, and since then you will not receive any exasperating warning statements and announcements from those individual picked apps. Windows 10 desktop displays an assortment of information where a few are to alert you, some arrive with the update information, others keep notifying you about the plugged devices to your computer, and a lot more. The notifications in Windows 10 comes on the system tray of the taskbar where there is a separate icon for notifications. If you feel the disturbance of frequently appearing messages on your desktop, you know the need of disabling the app notifications. Let us head towards the steps and see how to selectively disable app notifications in Windows 10. Go to Settings app. Click on System. Click on Notifications and Actions. On the right pane under the Get Notifications from these senders, individually switch off or disable the apps you prefer. This is a very important tool which provides you the freedom to get notifications of the selected app on your Windows 10 system. If you think a particular app is more important for which you would get updates or upcoming changes, you can leave it turned on. This covers how to selectively disable notifications in Windows 10. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.